Hey guys, it's Courtney and Seth here today with another unusual surprise.
Yeah.
We are just 1 week out from our Autumn Leaves video, a little more than 2 weeks out from our Autumn Leaves Festival unboxing video. And we were so happy. I was actually surprised today. I received another gift box from the Yadkin County Chamber, and it's purple. I'm assuming maybe that this is about their upcoming Grape Festival. I think it's actually this Saturday. It's a little close, but it could be something else. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
But it was actually hand delivered to me today, and I was told specifically not to open it yet. But we're going to see what's in it. This is awesome, guys. We're enjoying this.
Yeah,
keep sending us, yeah, keep sending us stuff. But let's go ahead and take a look. So if you'd like to join us, let's go. Alright guys, so like I said, purple. So it's just like a little gift box here, and there's an envelope here on top. I think there's some writing on it, so let's open that first. Okay, yep, so I was correct. Definitely about the upcoming Grape Festival. It says, come sip with us, see you on October 18th, which, yep, that's this weekend. Ooh! I'm excited to see this. This is actually a festival we've never been to. But let's go ahead and open this and see what it is. Okay. So it looks like we've got 2 tickets to the festival. Looks like for wine tastings. This kind of reminds me of Bud Break here in Mount Airy. If you guys haven't seen that video, go check it out after this one. But that is one of my favorite festivals because you just get to go around and try local wine from different vendors. This looks like it's going to be something similar. So I'm excited to actually see what's in here, because if these are the tickets, I don't know what could be in here, but let's check it out. Okay, so I don't know if you untie this, or it feels like there's a, yeah, it's not tied all the way around. I think it just might open. There's a little bit of tape. Hold on. Okay, got that. Let me give Seth the lid here. Oh my. This is jam full. Looks like we have some, I think these are t-shirts. Ooh, let's unpack this. Okay, let's see what we've got here. Oh, this is a little cup. Oh, it's nice. It's like a tumbler, yeah. It's metal on the inside. Oh, and it says Yadkin Valley, because that is, of course, where Yadkin County is. And where Yadkin is, of course, Yadkin Valley. This is really nice. I don't know if I know that brand specifically, but it feels pretty hefty. I wonder if it comes with the lid. Oh, actually, it looks like they put it back here. Oh, perfect. Yeah, well, they've got stuff in the cup right now, but there's the lid that goes with that. And it looks like we have some goodies inside of here. Of course, it's outside. So they gave us a little Dove Men Care antiperspirant. I think I'll be taking that, actually. And this may be the same. Oh, no, this is dry shampoo. Heck yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
This is actually the brand that I use. And it looks like we have some, or a notepad here, and it does say Yadkin welcomes you, and it of course has the grapes and the wine. Yadkin County, I think, is known for their wine trail, or it's a very, very popular area where a lot of wineries are. I know there's some here near us in Mount Airy, but they even incorporated it there in their logo. And we have some little pins about Yadkin Valley. So there's a website if you're interested. And that's all for that one. Let's keep seeing what else is in here. Okay. Oh, it's a little portable, looks like charging cables, but again, they are definitely branding with that wine glass and those grapes. So this must be a very big deal in Yadkin County. Again, we've never been to this festival, but we like Bud Break, so I assume we're really gonna like this. And looks like we have some little stickers here. That same logo. Ooh, we got several. I think I dropped one. Those are cute. And it looks like we may have some more stickers here. Yeah. This one is goyadkinvalley.com. And it does have that. It starts with a river. If you're not familiar, there is a Yadkin River, of course, runs through Yadkin. So that one makes sense. It's not as tailored to, I think, the wine theme, but still very nice. And I'm not sure what these are. Looks like this might be the same. It says Yadkin welcomes you, North Carolina's wine region. So again, specific to Yadkin because it is apparently a big wine region. But we're gonna pause here because I'm not sure what this is. Okay, we did have to actually look it up, but I actually love this. I wouldn't even expect that that's what this was, but let me show you. It is a wine bottle opener, of course, with a cork, and I was like, okay, what is this hole for? Literally, y'all. And then you can twist it. That is genius and very fitting.
That's pretty neat.
And we have two. And lastly, it looks like we have two t-shirts. I'll save those for last because I'm curious to what this is. If it's like a poncho. Oh, according to the label, it is like a little collapsible bag. So honestly, I mean, hey, if you're walking around and you want to buy one of these t-shirts or some merch yourself, they could say, do you need a bag? And you could say, already got one. And whip this out, honestly, and put some wine bottles. I wonder how many wine bottles it carries. Oh, I see. It's actually part of this. For some reason, I just thought maybe that was a little separate bag, but it's not. Huh. This is a pretty cool concept. And it has that same logo that was on the front. This is almost like neon. And again, it says Yadkin welcomes you, North Carolina's wine region. And this looks about wide enough, I think, for a wine bottle, you know, to like lay it long ways. So I think we'll definitely be taking this with us so we can put all of our goodies inside. All right, so last but not least, I hope this pink one is mine.
Yeah, me too.
It looks like it says Yadkin Valley Grape Festival. Very cute. And again, it's specific actually to the festival itself. I think the rest of this merch was really more specific to Yadkin being the wine region. And I think there might be something on the back here. Oh, very clever. Very clever, Yadkin Chamber. Sip happens. I'm not going to repeat the word since, you know, there's no disclaimer on this video like our haunt videos. But I'm going to let you use your context clues for the adults for another S word here. But this is really cute. I love this.
I wonder if they'll have these for sale.
Oh, I'm sure that they will definitely have these for sale. And I wonder if this will show up anywhere else because that's hilarious. It's very cute. So let's see what size this one is. Yep, medium, that's mine. Ha ha ha. I get the pink shirt.
I hope that you got the pink shirt.
So hopefully this one is your size. Let's see. So let's see about this one. I think it may be that same design. Yep, so that same design. I really actually like the beige color.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
Yeah, that actually looks pretty good as well. Let's see. Yep, has that same design on the back. So very fitting for us, honestly. Like, are we turning into wine people? I think so. All right, guys, so that seems to be all. Let's talk about it. All right, guys, so that was absolutely adorable. And the fact that it's like literally for a grape festival. Heck yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. I liked all the stuff in there. It was all pretty cool, especially the shirts.
Yeah.
And I'm sure we'll be wearing those when we go.
Mm-hmm. And we still have our tickets here. So just some information again for you guys. If you don't know, this I think seems to be an annual festival. And it is only on October 18th. Similar, from what I can understand, to Bud Break in Mount Airy, wine tastings, and probably anything grape related. I keep wanting to call it Wine Festival. So honestly, I may have even said that. If I did, it's Grape Festival, but that's where my mind goes when I hear the word grape.
So yeah, I'm probably actually going to be using this cup later tonight. Whatever the brand is called Pirani.
You said it holds ice for like
12,
the label?
a cold drink for like over 12 hours. So
yeah.
I wonder if you can get these while you're there.
And I'm curious to see if they have some sort of like wine glasses, or, you know, I assume maybe you may be picking up, if it's similar to Bud Break, like you may be picking up a wine glass as part of your admission.
Oh yeah, true.
And, you know, just literally handing it up to people and saying, pour.
Mm-hmm.
That's what we really enjoyed about it. But we don't really have much information going into this festival, so we're actually kind of excited that we got this today.
Oh yeah.
It wasn't necessarily something on our radar because I think that Yadkin is about 20 minutes away from us. We're in Surrey County, and Yadkin County is kind of the next county over.
Yeah, it is.
Yep. So I'm really wondering if there's going to be kind of any overlap with our local wineries, and I'm curious to see what exactly is in wine country. So they, you know, they literally call it that on some of their merch. But we'll definitely be taking you guys along as we experience this for the first time. But anyways, guys, we do want to thank our friends over at the Yadkin Valley Chamber for hand delivering this box to me today. This was an awesome surprise for a random Wednesday, you know?
Yeah, it was a good surprise.
Yeah, for sure. And now, you know, we've got something really fun to do this weekend. We actually get to go to Yadkin Valley and try some wine. But anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like this video and comment. Let us know if you've ever been to this festival before or possibly had wine from this region. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more local videos and hopefully more wine content coming soon. So until next time, we hope to see you on the next adventure. Bye.